There is a storm happening. I've never heard any type of explosion type thunder like this before. And like the rumbling and the roaring. It's like the most explosive, loudest I've ever heard. It's like so powerful. Like sometimes I thought it was furniture, but it's literally like explosions that are happening every like 30 seconds. Most powerful I've ever heard. So there's some type of storm happening, and it is powerful. It's crazy. It literally feels like fire, not even fireworks, it's just so powerful. I can't imagine like there's lightning just right outside the door. It's super powerful. But I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what day it is, what time it is. But it is crazy, crazy, crazy.